Hi everybody, Kurt Minnerink here with Miedema Asset Management Group, and I wanted to take a minute to talk to you about a great featured Orbitbid.com online auction that we have coming up. It's called Proficient Machining Inc. It's right in Grand Rapids, Michigan. The owners of this shop have decided to pursue other ventures. He has closed the shop and he's selling all the machinery and equipment that he has in the shop in an online auction, again on Orbitbid.com. It's a very large shop. We're going to have over 625 lots in the auction. Some of the highlights of the auction include two 2022 AWEA vertical machining centers. We've got 5 Chiron vertical machining centers. We've got a Colchester turning center. We've got 2 Colchester CNC lathes. We've got a AWEA CNC lathe. We've got 2 Doosan CNC lathes. We've got 2 2012 Feeler CNC lathes. We've got 5 different 2011 and 2012 Feeler vertical machining centers. We got a MicroView S14 optical comparator, 3 different Nakamura Tomy CNC turning centers. We've got 2 2022 late model productive robots. We've got a ProPen P3000 engraving machine. And then again, a very large shop full of a large assortment of support machinery, equipment, fixtures, tooling, and much more. Again, very large auction, 625 lots in the auction. The auction ends on July 9. The first items are going to start closing at 6 p.m., closing on the half hour, with the last item scheduled to close right at 8 p.m. The same day. So we've got scheduled preview for that auction with the doors open to the public on July 8 from 9 to 4. And again on auction day on the 9th of July from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. So we'll have a forklift there on site for buyers to use for loadout. And we don't want you to miss out on this great opportunity to bid on and buy some very well cared for and quality items from a working machine shop with all the machines ready to go right back to work. So again, the Proficient Machining Inc. auction closing on Tuesday, July 9. All items selling on Orbitbid.com. And of course, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to give us a call. Thank you.